I'll have to go with my local dialect. Yeah. Ekole, mommy wa, daddy wa, atayin ore wa. No. Alhaji Muteehullah has been a friend, a brother, and a very good person. I'm actually tense, yeah, but in a nutshell, you've been a good person to me, to my family. You've always been available whenever I call up on you. And like I said, you're very articulated. And I don't make friends, not because I don't know people. I have a lot of people that want to be my friend, but I just choose to be your guy. And it takes a lot for me to come all the way from Lagos down to this place. Not because I'm trying to descend low on you or upgrade myself for no reason, but you're someone I always want to be around because you're very positive, and I love to be around positive mind. And I pray to Almighty Allah, this step you're about to, or you're already on the step right now, your fourth step, MashaAllah, I'll be here to celebrate your fifth step, sixth step, which is the seventh decade, eighth decade, and more to come. MashaAllah, and irú oore tọ́lọ́run ṣe fún yín lénìí èmi náà tún fi tọrọ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run àlékún orúkọ ẹ̀ àlékún ni kò kí ń pọ̀ jù torí tíyàn bá ríyàn tó bá ṣe nǹkan rere inú tèmi máa ń dùn sí torí pé nǹkan ayọ̀ ni nǹkan tí mo ṣe wà ń bí nìyẹn lágbára Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí nǹkan ayọ̀ kó máa lékún sí inú lẹ́yìn á lékún sí lórí owó lórí ọmọ lórí àlàáfíà nǹkan yẹn kan tí máa wá tọrọ fún yín gangan mo ní tọrọ láti inú mi ni MashaAllah tí mo ṣe sọ fún yín yẹn bó ṣe máa rí fèmí náà nìyẹn ẹ̀mí gígùn ni mo ń tọrọ fún yín àìsàn ó kéré ó tóbi Ọlọ́run ò ní fi ṣe yín kò dẹ̀ ní fi ṣe èmi náà tí mo dẹ̀ ṣe sọ fún yín láti inú mi bó ṣe máa rí fún yín náà nìyẹn MashaAllah lọ́la bisimilayi rahman rahim iná àti iná kàlíkà zera ọ̀sá ilé wọ́n bí kàwáyà iná ṣáàlì àkọ́kọ́ àmín.
All right. Eshe Gonza, Afa Esho. All right, so we're about to cut the cake. I said we are using just 4 words. And Alhaji Esho just gave us articulate. He is articulate. Please, I need both of you to hold the knife together. All right. All right, I need both of you to hold the cake together. Thank you, the knife. So 1, articulated. I need another word. Humble. 3, industrious. The last one now, and we are going to cut the cake. Ladies and gentlemen, he is an honest man. Let's cut the cake. Please jam your hands together for the latest 40-year-old man and the latest landlord in the city of Ibadan. Oh, you know, what you say? You know. Shame. It might be done. Hey.
Good. Devil.
gentlemen.